First rule of live stream, you just start recording. Here's why. Let's grab a coffee. Cheers. My name's Jack. I'm going to teach you how to build an AI powered web app. I was not recording, and that's what we're going to say is the first rule of live streaming going forward. I need to record because I'm showing a Vertex AI agent as my assistant to help me grow and monetize my community that I've made from my AI powered community assist that I developed into BizRise.io. So make an AI powered plan, get an AI powered assistant out of it, ask the assistant, hey Baz, write me a couple cool hooks for a live stream intro. I got to do a transition to bring it in, 2 seconds, and here's what we got. Tired of coding, learn how to build AI powered web apps on Flutterflow with no code, which is true. This is great for even people that do use coding a lot. I mean, thank you to everybody that has made this possible for sure. All of your skills, everyone before this. First off, thank you. But if you want to learn how to do no code, come on. But I'm gonna go into which is unlock unlimited income in the AI economy. Learn how to build AI powered web apps on Flutterflow. And why is that important? Like that is exactly what I'm teaching. And what I want people to know is how do we unlock unlimited income in the AI economy? Because there's a lot of cool AI stuff out there, but it's like, all right, how do I make a product to build a sustainable business around to grow and scale? Like, this is a very huge opportunity. It's like the internet, how much of a shift that was. This is bigger, but you don't really see it happening a ton because, I mean, we really have the internet already. But what you got to focus on is how AI can optimize your process and then what you can also learn from it. And these Vertex AI agents are a great way to do that. But they need a place to live, they need a place to call home, which is the Flutterflow web app. But I think just from doing my training of this agent, which is one of the things that you'll create in the How to Build a Web App course, like, of course, we're going to use our outputs to give you an AI agent. Why wouldn't we? We're optimizing, all right? We're going to go unlock unlimited income in the AI economy. So I'm going to start with that and I'm going to transition over, but I'm not going to do a crazy rush. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be editing this with Streamlabs podcast editor. Why? Because you just live stream, give it to that, and it takes out your pauses and your blank spaces. So when you want to have like a cool little transition, zoom in, zoom out, and then also on iMovie, just a simple Ken Burns effect, in out, real quick, which might be that too. I might just do that as well. That seems to be quicker. But when I'm live streaming on Twitch, it's like it's already there. Just so much easier. I mean, really, if you're gonna live stream, using Twitch is incredible just for the fact you literally everything. You can get clips, you can get long form, short form, transcription. You can meet people, you can have people join your live, you can have people be moderators, like have a chat. Like it is just the beginning, and then you can use these live streams to train your AI agents. That we also have inputs from web apps. You see what I'm saying? Like you need to make it a full circle process. And the easiest way to do that is a no-code Flutterflow web app. What's cool about Flutterflow as well is it's built on Dart, which is Google Power. So you got a future-forward language. You got an awesome no-code platform. You're gonna be all right as far as sustainability going forward. But what I've done videos on already is just how you can create your AI community assist. I wanted to get a quick recording of this to show you, all right, this is what I asked my agent to write me some hooks because I've trained this agent on my plan to grow my community, to promote my course, how to develop a web app. So I want this agent to help me with my socials. All right, cool. Write me some hooks. Just dialed it right down the middle. The other course that I offer as well is It's Time to Go Live. I teach people how to live stream using Streamlabs Desktop Ultra and Twitch. Everybody's platform machines are different and specific, so it is something that helps people just get going. But now that I have two awesome hooks, I'm going to use that second one and I'm going to do some transitions. All right, so we're going to do some quick transitions here. We're going to get out of studio mode, start a new recording. And like I said, if I hit the intro correctly, we're going into what else BizRise.io can do. Because we started with generate me a community assist. Now we have an AI agent. But what else is inside BizRise.io to help you get started? And what we're going to learn first is you need to create a product or a service. So while we're creating that community assist, we're also going to create a product or service with inside BizRise.io that's going to be the foundation of our business, right? Like you have to have a product or a service for a business. It's got to do something. So in order for that to happen, we're going to create one from your community assist. That's free. And then what we're going to do is we're going to check out, all right, now we're going to need some marketing for that product and service. We're going to need to write emails about that product and service. We are going to need to do some prospecting about that product and service. If that product or service happens to be an e-commerce drop shipping product, we'll do an example. How you can get your titles, your descriptions, write a social post about that to promote your e-commerce website. So what I want to show you is, all right, so the only thing we've really had to do as far as a user, if I'm using BizRise.io, starting a school community, is let me switch over and start a new